Good afternoon, everybody. We just like to inform that we will be having the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair on the 23 and 24th. This is not only here in Leyte, but it will happen also in Camsur, Davao de Oro, and Ilocos Norte. This Servicio Fair is basically the activity that would bring services closer to the people. I think if I remember right, we already had it in the Biliran province last August. That was, diba? That was the initial, that was the kickoff of the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair. So that's it. Basically, we have the different agencies of government, especially the regulatory agencies, for people to have access to them easily, and for government to be of service to the Filipino people, and especially to now in the four provinces: Ilocos Norte, Camarines Sur, Leyte, and Davao de Oro. Thank you.
Ini nga bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair, no? This is a nationwide Servicio Fair. It-target natin hini all provinces of the entire Philippines. No? So we started, siring pa ni Mayor Mark, Yusek Mark, we started last August with Biliran as the soft launching, and this weekend amin yung gitatawag natin nga grand launching hini nga Servicio Fair with four of the provinces na ma-participate. No, ini nga upat. I think 83 provinces nationwide inin niya. No? So lilibuton inin hiton lilibuton nato inin nga dat makumpleto iton 80 iton tanan nga provinces iton Pilipinas. So yun.
We're happy to announce that the success of this is that it's also with the cooperation of everybody from our city mayor of Tacloban, from our provincial governor for the province of Leyte, Jericho Icot Tequila, and iniyan na nga may hinabo nga serbisyo caravan din niya Leyte because we could not handle the entire expected participant just in Tolosa. If you will notice, there will be also some activities in all towns here in Leyte. So nga tanan nga towns sa Leyte magkakamay na gihapon ni ragti nga activities para kay higapin nga serbisyo nga atong ginihimo yan na didihat Tolosa. So that will be for the entire province of Leyte. This serbisyo caravan now is for the entire province of Leyte. But the objective here, it is not that magkakamay dala kita serbisyo hini nga mga agency towards what are the programs and activities and respective anot mga kalungganayan nga dapat naton makuha hini nga mga ahensya nga para yan na masabtan naton. As a matter of fact, if you will notice, there are around 39 agencies that are involved here nga makikitaan nira anot mga serbisyo nira amo ining kaupayan kay ang tao mababaro. So right after the Servicio Fair that will be happening here, the program will continue. As a matter of fact, there is already the plan that we have to have what we call the Servicio Center that we are that is being planned to be in Alang-alang. Amo to para makontinue nga tanan dili na kay kun aan nila may dakita caravan may da serbisyo ini nga magobyerno. In one way, that is also to put all agency in one roof. Bagat, one-stop shop for ano tin kailang ladon, pwede na niya makitaan. Kung ano dapat mahimo nga gobyerno para aton nga direktahan aton mga constituents will be there. Labot ikira ginihimo. Kahit aton niya na ini nga programa kung ano ang dapat iharatag ng mga serbisyo nga mabaruan naton han mga ahensya.
Magpulop ini nga activity dito I suppose kay baka 660 million ato expected no iti ba ito ma-expect may libre ng pagkaon kay pangguguto mo nito dito amot number 1 ng pakyana kay magatot agab na nagkakulop guguto mo amot daw ng pakyana ito para maklaro la.
We have prepared, may na kami mga food trucks nga aad ko ha sa Kubhan VSU no. May na kita naka-prepare dito nga lugaw, arroz caldo, may na kita naka-prepare nga mga tinapay, tubig. We also have several mga pagguti-guti gyapon nga mga rice meals na pwede nira makuha during the servisyo fair. Para gad man diri hira magutom man time may naghihinulat hira pila siguro when they're trying to avail the services of some agencies. So may ada po kita sir nakaandam nga pagkaon, may nakataan utrohon ko arroz caldo, we have bread, we have rice meals as well. Pati tubig para ira. Ito nga yung pagkaon, tigang ito yung speaker. Kayaan nagsiring talaga ito nga, make sure na walang taong gutom na nandun na nag-avail sa servisyo ng ating mga ahensya.